Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download apps without Google Play Store on any Android phone. Now, if you want to download any app on your smartphone without using Google Play Store, just open the web browser app and in the search bar, just search the name of the application which you want to download. Now, once you type the name of the application which you want to download, after that, just type download APK. Just like that. Now after that, just open the APK Pure website. On this page, just go to download APK. Then tap on download APK. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Then tap on open. Select install. Now just tap on open. Now, as you can see, this is how you can download apps without Google Play Store on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.